Welcome to the second program in the Basic Engineering Hand Tools program, in which you will learn more about spanners. As most machinery or equipment is held together using various fasteners in the form of bolts, nuts, or set screws, it is often necessary to remove and replace these items during maintenance. The tools mostly used for these operations are spanners, of which there are several types. Let's first learn about the most commonly used spanners, which are the open end, ring, and combination types. The main function of any spanner is to grip the head of a bolt or nut and turn it for tightening or loosening purposes. Notice that the open-end spanner only grips 2 of the flat edges on this hexagonal bolt head, whereas a ring spanner grips on 6 corners. The advantage of a ring spanner is that a far more powerful turning force can be applied to the fastener. Open-end spanners are used mostly in places where ring spanners or other spanners cannot fit. Don't use excessive force on an open-end spanner, as this can cause the spanner to stretch and slip off the fastener, resulting in damage to the spanner and fastener. After the pause, you will learn about other types of spanners.